Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today we will be doing the unboxing of Godrej Regal Pavilion by Godrej Properties, a premium residential project located in Rajendranagar, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So there inside is the marketing office and then there's the land parcel there as well. Now let me tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now, unlike any other current listing platforms, यहाँ अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी करते हो तो आपका कॉन्टैक्ट मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ शेयर हो जाता है. बट विथ हाउजी आप डायरेक्टली बिल्डर्स से कनेक्ट हो जाते हो, क्योंकि हाउजी में ब्रोकर्स की लिस्टिंग्स नहीं होती. बिल्डर्स खुद लिस्टिंग्स करते हैं, सो यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए एंड बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विथ हाउजी. Now, in this project you see, we will be discussing things like the project overview, location and connectivity, the amenities, internal and external, the parking provision, the master plan, the floor plan, unit plan, construction update, the possession and a lot more. So let's start. Now, coming over to the project overview, let's understand that. You see, Godrej Regal Pavilion is an ultra-luxury residential project by the Godrej Properties. The project is spread across approximately 13 acres of land parcel in Rajendranagar, Hyderabad. The township features 9 high-rise residential towers with each 4 levels of basement parking plus ground plus 33 upper floors. Coming to the location and connectivity, as you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project, Rajendranagar Main Road, Hyderabad. You see, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is only 12 to 15 minutes away from here, and the Nehru Outer Ring Road is very close and easily accessible. The NH40 connectivity is directly from here. Gachibowli is just 25 to 30 minutes drive. Now, coming over to the amenities part. The internal amenities apartments at Godrej Regal Pavilion come with premium flooring, branded fittings and sanitary ware, well-planned layouts with natural light and ventilation, Vastu-compliant unit planning. The external amenities offer swimming pool, gymnasium, indoor games and multi-purpose hall. Children's play area, then there's jogging track, landscape gardens and open spaces. Coming to parking provision, the project provides covered basement parking for all the residents. There are 4 basement parking levels planned as per the tower configuration.
This is the master plan of Godrej Regal Pavilion. As you can see in this image, there are a total of 9 towers with a clubhouse placed in the center and amenities spread across the land parcel.
The floor plan.
This is the typical floor plan of Tower 5 with 7 flats per floor, 6 lifts, 2 staircases, where 2 flats are of 4 BHK and 5 flats are of 3 BHK.
Coming over to the unit plan.
This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 2016 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3.5 BHK, 2674 square feet. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 3572 square feet.
Coming to the construction update, construction activity has commenced with initial structural under workway in 2025. As you can see, I am standing at the actual construction place. Possession. As per the RERA, the possession for this project is 2030. So everyone, this was the unboxing of Godrej Regal Pavilion, a premium residential development by Godrej Properties located in Rajendranagar, Hyderabad.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.